What's good, guys? No Cap Entertainment here, back with another one. Like and subscribe. Welcome to another show. Obviously, they're going to keep it down. It's a special one. We've got a special show today, guys. No Cap Entertainment. Like and subscribe. No Cap Media. Yo, guys. Free the man, them. Larry Hoover is free. Shout out to Donald Trump. Freeing my man and time served. Go on, Donald Trump. Yo, Donald Trump might be one of the greatest presidents, you know. You know what they say in the world, right? Judge a man by his actions, not his words, yeah? And right now, he might be talking about building walls and all this for the Mexicans, but bruv, he's been releasing the man them. If one thing Trump's been doing from Kodak, from NBA Youngboy, he's just freed Larry Hoover. Big Meech was obviously released recently. Free the guys them. Free the man them then. Yo guys, we got a big boy show going on today. You already know what time it is. No Cap Entertainment. Like and subscribe. Congratulations, Larry Hoover is free. Larry Hoover is free. Larry Hoover is free. Free the man them. Blah! We're going off, guys. I can't believe it. Yo, let's go. Free Larry Hoover. Shout out to Donald Trump. Hey!
Trying again to get out of prison early. Gangster Disciples founder Larry Hoover has written to a federal judge asking for his life sentence to be reduced, saying he's no longer the man convicted of murder and running the gang from prison. Hoover made the same request last year. He is now representing
One nation under God.
Come on! What?
Getting money from the start. I think I'm Big Meech. Larry Hoover. Getting work. Hallelujah. One nation under God. Real getting money from the start. My Rolls Royce triple black. I'm Geechee. Ballin' in the club, bottles like I'm
Reach on me.
Rose, that's my nickname.
Falling in my big veins.
Self-made, you just affiliated. I built it ground up, you bought it
Renovated.
Talking plenty capers, nothing's been authenticated. Funny you claiming the same that I'm
Feeling hated.
Hold the bottles up, where my comrades? What a balance, where my dogs at? I got that Archie Bunker, and it's so white I just might charge a double. I think I'm Big Meech.
Larry Hoover. Reload the thing. Are you dumb? Let's go, chat. Larry Hoover's free. Let's go. Shout out to Donald Trump. Hey. Big Meech. Larry Hoover's free. Judge Donald Trump by his actions.
Catch up. I think I'm Big Meech. Larry Hoover. Whipping work. Hallelujah. One nation under God. Real getting money from the start. I think I'm Big Meech. Larry Hoover. Getting work. Hallelujah. One nation under God. Real getting money from the start. My Rolls Royce triple black. I'm Geechee. Ballin' in the club, bottles like I'm Geechee. Rose, that's my nickname.
Running in my big veins.
Self-made,
You just affiliated. I built it ground up. You bought it renovated.
talking plenty capers, nothing's been authenticated. Funny you claiming the same that I'm penetrating. Hold the bottles up, where my comrades? What a balance, where my dogs at? I got that Archie Bunker, and it's so white I just might
Freedom
charge
on
a
them,
double.
let's go!
I think I'm Big Meech.
Larry Hoover. Whipping work. Hallelujah. One nation under God.
Real getting money from the start. I think I'm Big Meech.
Larry Hoover. Whipping work. Hallelujah.
One nation
Under God.
real
Let's
getting
go,
money
chat. Are
from
you dumb? Are you dumb, chat? Are you dumb? Let's go. No jokes, no Cap Entertainment. Let's go. We're not ramping around. Now, what I'm going to do for the show, guys, I'm going to keep this video nice and short. So happy that Larry Hoover has been freed. Shout out to Donald Trump. Shout out to all the man them that have been bigging him up. I ain't going to mention, you know what I'm saying, we know who, the G to the E to the D. Listen, he mostly have to denounce all that gang affiliation, so we're not even going on that. We know say America created some new laws to ship gangsters out of America. So guys, you don't want to be affiliated in no gang talk, you know what I'm saying? Like, listen, don't get me wrong. You see no cat wore the colours today, you understand? In my D squared, you understand? You wore the colours. Alright, that's all I'm gonna say. Salute to Larry Hoover, bro. Salute. OG man them. To the OGs. All the way from UK. Blah! Let's go. So, what I'm gonna do, shout out to my boy Urban Politics TV out in Houston. Subscribe to the guy. Love the guy's podcast, all his shows covering what's going on in the culture. I'm gonna go to his video today for us to just check out what's going on. We'll leave it like that. Go and subscribe to Urban Politics TV, No Cap Entertainment, just like that. Blah! Let's go. Larry Hoover's free. Let's go.
And one of Chicago's most notorious gang leaders is trying again to get out of prison early. Gangster Disciples founder Larry Hoover has written to a federal judge asking for his life sentence to be reduced, saying he's no longer the man convicted of murder and running the gang from prison. Hoover made the same request last year. He is now representing.
Yo, it's Big Ant, the spokesman, man. We back. Another edition of Urban Politicians TV, UPTV. Make sure you never pivot at all times, man. Had to come tap in as it was breaking news within the last hour or so that Chicago's Gangsters Disciple co-founder Larry Hoover had been pardoned by President Donald Trump.
We begin with breaking news. President Donald Trump has commuted the federal sentence of Larry Hoover, founder of the Chicago street gang, the Gangster Disciples. Hoover has been serving multiple life sentences and in a maximum security prison in Colorado for the murder of a 19-year-old neighborhood drug dealer. He is also serving a 200-year sentence in Illinois, but it's not clear if he'll be moved back to Illinois to reserve what remains of that sentence. Hoover's son, Larry Hoover Jr., posted this photo on Instagram, a White House official holding the commutation with the president's signature.
And there were several other people names that was on the list as well, including NBA YoungBoy. You'll see that getting posted in the headlines also today, as he just finished up a federal prison sentence himself. And I think he still might have had some probation time, so I don't know the exact details with that one right there. But I first saw this hit the news after Jay Prince posted it up earlier today to his Instagram and said, "Thank you to President Donald Trump and the angel from heaven, my sister, Elise Marie Free, for allowing the Creator to work through you. We're deeply grateful to the president for doing what no other president would, freeing and pardoning my brother Larry Hoover.
Shout out to
in
Donald
his
Trump.
own words, never stop swinging. To my brother Justin Moore, Delvin Dosh, and everyone who contributed to this journey, thank you. I appreciate you all more than words can express." An official write-up had came from different news sites. ABC Chicago put it up and said, President Donald Trump plans to commute the sentence of a notorious former Chicago gang leader, his attorney said. Attorney Jennifer Bonjean confirmed to ABC Wednesday that her client, Gangster Disciples founder Larry Hoover, is being granted clemency by the president. The commutation has not officially been completed, according to the database of the Office of the Pardon Attorney. And if you didn't know why he was in there already, it says Hoover is serving 6 life sentences at the ADX Florence Prison Facility in Fremont County, Colorado. He was previously sentenced to life imprisonment plus 200 years for a 1973 murder. However, in 1997, following a 17-year investigation, he was convicted of conspiracy, extortion, money laundering, and running a continuing criminal enterprise from state prison and received.
So guys, I'm gonna pause it there. Go watch Urban Politics TV if you want to see the full video, yeah, guys. But I've got a few last little points. So a CCE, continuing criminal enterprise, yeah, that's what they locked down. Big bosses like Larry Hoover, right? Were running a gang, money, drugs, whatever the gang was running. You understand? Yeah, murder, all these kind of things involved. A RICO is a step above a CCE. And if I'm wrong, guys, correct me, because there's man like Unique Mecca Audio out there, man, I've actually done 26 years in prison, had to fight and learn the law to get themselves out. Because look, 200 years, they tried to lock these niggas up for the rest of their lives, bro. For the rest of their lives, these niggas were not supposed to see air again. You know what I mean? Now, at the end of the day, like I said with my Diddy video, when you make your bed, you gotta lie in it. That's real talk. And even the real talk, Larry Hoover, all these niggas will say the same thing. You know what I mean? They'll say how they poison their communities. They'll say how, you know what I'm trying to say at the end of the day. But, you know, like no cat always read between the lines, so it's all well and good. There was people that were dropping off these drugs to the hood. There were people that were dropping off the weapons in the hood. There was people that wanted LA and Chicago and these hubs to become the hubs that they became. Do you understand? And they knew that these guys from the environment they were coming from, you know what I mean? They didn't have a lot of outs at that time. It's not like now you've got social media, online, and all these different types of businesses that man can get into. Back then in the 80s, there wasn't internet wasn't busting like how it's busting now. Do you understand? So I'm sure these guys are gonna go into some serious different types of businesses now and gonna absolutely smash it for the amount of respect that they hold in the community. Do you understand? And the no say it's going to be clean. You've got weed. Look how many brothers were locked up for weed charges. Now weed's legalized. Do you understand? So anyway, free Larry Hoover. No Cap Entertainment. Just like that. Blah! I'm gassed, guys. I'm gassed. Let's go. Blah!